You know we need trees, right? Oxygen, all that crap. I love trees. But when you plant them in front of your water line, your sewer line, this is the third time I'm here repairing something. And you're gonna see what happened to, this time it's just a sprinkler line. This is my second or third time here already. See that giant root from that guy. Are you ready, ladies and gentlemen? Look at that. Water coming out of the tree root. That's nice. And the water, muddy water is going back into the hole. That's so cool. It's money in my pocket, but it is going to be a hard job. Do not plant trees in front of your house, people.